Bigay din. Ito naman kay Ate Jo. Kastaya. Wow. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow, binigyan ako na Ate Jo ng aking panglagay ng ganito. Thank you so much Ate Jo. Mahal-mahal pa naman yan. Binigyan ko na ka. At saka, I'm very happy sa aking bling-bling. I like it so much. Diba? Dami kong bling-bling. Hey, like it. Pang ano yan sa either cellphone or sa bag. Ganun lang yan. Dito, ilagay lang yan dito sa cellphone. Ganun mo ha. Just in case lang. Example. Ilagay mo lang dito yan. Sampulan natin. Pala. Ito. Open pa natin dito. Thank you, baby. Wow, thank you. Guwapa rin tayo. Ano, mayroon pa siyang card. Wow, my favorite color. Wow, may red pocket din. Wow, ang dami naman ito Ate Jo. Thank you so much. Ano, tiba na yung mga. Diba, hindi tayo kahilak tag-popcorn na Ate Jo. On your birthday, I'm reminded of all the wonderful times we've shared and all the incredible moments that lie ahead. Here's to many more adventures together in the future. Happy birthday and happy Hearts Day. I love you. Thank you Ate Jo. Dami-dami pa to my little sister. Letter na hindi na letter. Happy birthday to my best friend who always be more like a sister to me at heart. Hope your birthday is as special as you are. Wish you all the best in life and may all your dreams come true. Good health and wealth as well. God bless you always. Love you Ate Jo. Happy birthday and happy Valentine's Day to my crazy, fun, fabulous best friend. I love you to the moon and back, and I am so grateful for your friendship and all the fun times we've shared this year. Thank you for everything. I hope you have a great day on your birthday. I love you always. God bless you abundantly. Hugs and kisses Ate Jo. Thank you so much Ate Jo. It's very special. Pero pa. Kaya ilagay natin yung nandun dito. May ganito pa. Saan na yun kay Leah? Ito pala kay Leah. Yan kay Leah. Thank you. Ilagay natin sa ating mga ano. Para mga anak. And then, syempre, ito parang IDG. From DG. Hindi na ako masurprise ito. Ngayon may ganting na. Ko dati mga regalo. Thank you so much. Yung favorite. Yung favorite. Hindi bago na rin. Ang dali na natin to. Thank you so much. It's color blue. It's my lucky color for this year. Ating pampaliti. Thank you so much. At syempre, thank you so much Ate Jo. Talagang ano, nung last year, pamp-beauty. Ngayon, salamat ng marami. Mahal mo na kaya nito. Binigyan talaga ako. Gamitin ko agad syempre. Kasi dami kong scars eh. Yeah, thank you so much. Nilagay ko na agad. Love you. Love you all mga friends. May regalo o wala basta. As in, thank you. night. Bukas na ako magpa-beauty nito kasi nakapaglagay na ako ng ng ating beauty secret. Ating Neutrogena. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, everyone. And happy Valentine's sa lahat. Inadagdagan ng mga itong edad. Malapit na ako mag-50. Pag mag-50, siguro ako magbongga akong celebration. Ayan. Pag mag-50 na. Pero, siguro, sa Pinas na rin ako mag-celebrate or whatever. Tingnan lang natin ang panahon.